Students, welcome back. This is Shivleela from Upper Public School. So what we have done up to the last clippings, we have explained, got to know about the fractions, the types of fractions, classification of fraction and fractions. Okay, and then we solved two exercises also, right? Come on, let us start the third exercise today. So you can see this, something pasted on board. What is this? This is nothing but your exercise part. See here. In your exercises, you have the shapes. See, without drawing these shapes also I could, but you may get confused. For that reason, see, can you see this? First exercise, two shapes. Second exercise. Okay. First bit and the second bit. This is first bit. This is second bit. Okay. So come on. Let us go with this now. First bit. What they said? Write the fractions. First, they said to write the fractions. And are all these fractions equivalent? First of all, what is meant by equivalent? Equivalent means equal value. When you simplify the fraction to its simplest form, if you get all fractions to the same value, then it is known as equivalent fraction. Okay, so now come on. Let us see here. Total two parts. Out of that, one part is shaded for this. Next, for this, total four parts. Out of that, two parts are shaded. Here, total six parts. Out of that, three parts are shaded. And this one, total eight parts. Four parts are shaded. Now, this is half. We can't simplify this one. We have to keep it like that only. Let us simplify the remaining. See here. 2 ones are 2 twos are. It is nothing but half. Next. 3 ones are 3 twos are. It is also nothing but half. 4 ones are 4 twos are. This is also half. So all gives you the same value. Isn't it? So therefore, these are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Now, second one. See, you can see the figure here, but I wanted to write here, but I can't because if I write here, you can't see. It is that it will not cover this screen. That screen will not cover this one. So I'll write here. Okay. First, let me try to write here only. Here total, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 12, 4 parts are shaded. Okay, and here, out of 9, 3 parts are shaded. 3 circles are shaded. Here, out of 6, 2 circles are shaded. Out of 3, only 1 circle is shaded. And in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Out of 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles are shaded. Now, simplify. 4 ones are 4 threes are. 3 ones are 3 threes are. 2 ones are 2 threes are. This is already 1 by 3. But what about this? See, this is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3. But what about this? This is also 1 by 3. This one. These both are divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So you will get 2 by 15. Remaining all are 1 by 3. So does it represent fraction? See here, these has to write down below the figure. But here, this screen will not cover this space. That's why I wrote here upside. Don't get confused. Okay. So now, see, remaining all represents 1 by 3, but this except this one. But this is also in the same group. So that's why these, therefore, these are not equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. These are not equivalent fractions. Okay. Now, this is two problems from first bit. Now we'll go to the next bit. See, same here also. Okay, write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions from each row. This is one row and this is one row. Okay, what they said, first write the fractions and then you have to pair to its equivalent fraction. So now what I'll do is, I'll write the fractions here. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. These fractions I'll write here. This fractions I'll write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that is covering. So I'll write those fractions here, this fractions here. So it is very easy to pair. That's why. Okay. So how to do in a classwork? See here. Draw these vertically like this. Like this only you draw these. Like this only you draw these. Okay. In front of these shapes, figures, shapes only, write the fractions for both, and then match. Okay. Pairing. Pairing is nothing but matching. Understood? Come on. Now. First one, see, total 2 parts, one part is shaded. So 1 by 2. In second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 parts, 4 parts are shaded. Next, third one, 9. Out of 9 parts, 3 parts are shaded. Next, 4, 4, 8. Out of 8 parts, 2 parts are shaded. Last one is, out of 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. I think it is very closely. I mean, I'll just give some space between these. Okay, they are very close. You may get confused. 1 by 2, B1. 4 by 6, C1. 3 by 9, D1. 2 by 8, E1. 3 by 4. Does it cover? No. See, we can see the screen also. E1 is not covering here. So what I'll do is, where can I write E1? Okay. I'll write D1. Okay, E1 here only. Somehow I'll make it to cover. Yes. 3 by 4. Okay. Next. First one. See total how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Out of 18, how many parts are covered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are covered. Okay. Next, second one. Out of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, 4 parts are covered. Next, third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Out of 16, 1, 2, 3, 4 are not covered, shaded. That means 12. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 12, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are colored. Next. Means shaded. Fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Out of 16, only 4 parts are shaded. Now, see, they said to pair, they said to match. But here, not even a single fractions are matching. What to do? See, here you have equivalent fraction. Some fractions are equal to the other. So what you have to do is, you have to search it. How will you search it? First, to simplify all to its simplest form. Then you will get to know. Okay. See here, 2 2s are 2 3s are. So it is nothing but a 2 by 3. Now this one, 3 1s are 3 3s are. It is nothing but 1 by 3. This one, 2 1s are 2 4s are. Is nothing but 1 by 4. This is 3 by 4 only. We can't do anything. These two are co-prime. Right? Next, 6 1s are 6 3s are. 1 by 3. Okay, this is 1 by 3. 4 1s are 4 2s are. So this is 1 by 2. 12 and 16 both are divisible by 4. 4 3s are 4 4s are. So 3 by 4. Again, these two are divisible by 4 only. 4 2s are 4 3s are. So 2 by 3. Now this is also divisible by 4 only. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So 1 by 4. Now you can easily you can pen, right? Here 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2. Like this you can. A. This is A. Next 2 by 3. Where is 2 by 3? Here. See? B. Next 1 by 3. Here. First one. C. Next where 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is here. Last one. D. Next 3 by 4. Here. E1. Okay? Very easy, isn't it? You can enjoy this one also. Simplifying. If you know the table, then only you can simplify. So you take care of tables also. Again, don't say I don't know tables or I did not get how you did this one. See table. These are in 2 tables. 2 twos are, 2 threes are. Okay, these are in 3 tables. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. Okay? So now let us go to the next exercise. Then see, I have sticked something here. Let me remove these all to go to the next problem. Okay, next bit of this exercise. Okay, come on. So in the next, see this almost this complete exercise based on equivalent fractions only. See now we reduced, we divided and reduced to the simplest form. If this one gave, we have to multiply and get the another fraction, equivalent fraction. How to get equivalent fraction? We can get the equivalent fraction by dividing or multiplying. Okay, we can get the equivalent fraction by dividing or multiplying the fractions, okay, with the same number for both numerator and denominator. For numerator, if I want to multiply by 2 and denominator I want to multiply by 3, so I'll do the same. If you think so, that will be wrong. Okay. So therefore, for both numerator and denominator, you have to multiply or divide by the same number. Okay? Yes. Now we'll go to the third bit. Replace box. They have given box here. You have to replace it. Okay? Replace box in each of the following. In each of the following by the correct number. By the correct number. Okay. See. A1 2 by 7 equals to 8 by dash. B1 5 by 8 equals to 10 by dash. C1 3 by 5 equals to dash, box, divide by 20. B1 45 divide by 60 equals to 50 and divide by dash, box. Okay. Next, E1. 18 by 24 equals to dash by 4. Dash by 4. Both are equal. Equivalent fractions they have given. Okay. See, very easy. Numerator, in equivalent fraction, numerator will be equals to numerator, denominator will be equals to denominator. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. But when that also will. Anyhow, we know that not a single number is equal to the other. That we know. Every number has its own identity. We can't say 1 is equal to 2. We can't do that. Okay, but here they have given. They did not say directly 2 is equal to 8. They said 2 by 7 equals to 8 by one of the number. That means when we simplify this one, we will get the same number. Okay, that they have said here. So what? See, 2 table, when will you get 8, As I said just now, whatever we want to do, multiplication or division or anything, okay, we have to do the same. I mean, for both the numerator and denominator, same thing we have to do. So here it is increased means multiplication. If it is decreased, will be division. Okay, increased means multiplication. In two table, when will you get 8 by 4s are right? 2 4s are 8. Same thing, 7 4s are 28. Same way here also. Okay. In 5 table, when will you get 10? 5 2s are 10. Same number should multiply to the denominator also. So 8 2s are 16. Next, in the 5 table, see here numerator they did not give. So don't think a 3. In 3 table 20 we won't get. They give denominator means you have to check 5 denominator only. In 5 table when will you get to 20? 5 4s are. Do the same thing for the numerator. So 3 4s are 12. Okay. Next. Here decreased. It is decreased. So it is nothing but divided. Now, by what number it is divided to get 15? If I ask like that, you may not get instantly what is the number. Don't worry. See here. In 15 table, when will you get 45? In 15 table, when will you get 45? 15 3s are, isn't it? That is nothing but it is divided by 3. 45 divided by 3 is 15. Now do the same thing for the denominator also. Okay. So when you divide 60 by 3, how much will you get? That is very important here. Okay. So 3 2s are 6, 3 zeros are. So it is nothing but 20. Same thing here. It is box 24. By which number? If you divide, you will get 4 here. See, if you don't get this number instantly, go to this. In this table, when will you get to 24? That you think. In 4 table, when will you get to 24? 4 6 are, right? So that is the number here. Okay, so do the same thing here. When you divide 18 by 6, you will get 3. This is the answer. Over. And the next bit, do you know the interesting fact here? Next bit is completely based on these 3 types. Okay, that is fourth bit. Next, fifth bit is completely based on this. Means, fourth bit they gave simplest form, means the lowest form. You have to multiply for both numerator and denominator. This side they give increased. In next bit, they have given increased form only, larger numbers, larger fractions. You have to reduce it to its simplest form or ask the numerator or denominator. Okay, very interesting. Come on, let us do that. Fourth bit. Fourth bit. Find the equivalent fraction of. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5, 3 by 5, having what? Having denominator 20, A1, denominator 20. Yes, same thing, don't get confused what to do here. See here, they gave 3 by 5. Okay, you have to find the equivalent fraction with denominator 20. That means you have to find numerator only, no? Same thing, see, same thing they have given. Here directly they gave, here they just twisted. Don't think if they do something with the question, don't think, oh my god, what to do, I don't know this, they did not explained, you know. But it is in a twisted form, that's it. Instead of directly going like this, it is done. That's it. Anyhow, it will go here only. No. That is the fact. Okay, see here what you have to do. See what we have to do here. 3 in 5 table, 5 4s are 20, then 3 4s are 12. That's it. Over. Very easy, isn't it? Yes. Next one, the numerator. B1, numerator 9. Numerator 9. Same way, here also same way. This side, LHS fraction is given 3 by 5. And you have to find numerator 9. What is the denominator? Denominator they did not give. You have to find. Same thing you have to do. In 3 table, when will you get 9? 3 5s are, 3 3s are 9, right? Then 5 3s are 15. This is the required fraction. That's it. Very easy, isn't it? Yes. Next one. Denominator 30. Denominator 30. Same way. Within a fraction of seconds you can. Denominator they get 30. 5, 6 are 30, then 3 6 are 18. Over. These are also the problems. You may think like this also, right? Very easy problem. Yes. D1. Numerator 27. Numerator is 27. Same way. LHS means left hand side they have given it as 3 by 5. RHS numerator they said as 27. Denominator you have to. In 3 table when will you get 27? 3 9s are. Then 5 9s are 47. Oh, what? This bit only completed. Next bit based on this. This was based on this multiplication. Next bit based on this means division. Okay, shall we? Come on. Even here also LHS is given means one fraction is given. In another fraction, its equivalent fraction, they gave numerator and denominator, any one among those two. So you have to find the another one. If they give denominator, you have to find the numerator. If they give the numerator, you have to find the denominator. Okay. Come on. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 8, 48. Fifth one. Find the equivalent fraction. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48. 48 with what? Numerator 9. Numerator 9. With numerator 9. Okay? Come on. Same thing. 36 by 48 is given. Numerator should be 9. Denominator. Same thing. Something is divided here. But we don't know what. By which number these are divided. But we can find out, no. When we divide, by which number if we divide here, we'll get 9. If you don't get this number directly, go to this. In 9 table, when will you get 36? 9 4s are 36, no. Same way. When you divide 36 by 4, you will get 9. You have to do the same thing here also. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Over. Very easy, isn't it? Yes. Next one is denominator 4. Denominator 4. Okay. So, same way. 36 by 48 equals to denominator 4. Same way. In 4 table, when will you get 48? See, some number is divided. Okay. These numbers are divided by one number. Which number we don't know. To get that number, directly you can. 48 divided by what number you will get 4. If you are so expert in table, you will say directly. If you don't get it, don't worry at all. In 4 table, when will you get 48? 4 tens are 40. Don't think that is only end, mister. How will we get 48 in 4 table? The multiples, there is no end for multiples. Right? So therefore, 4 tens are 40, 4 11s are 44, 4 12s are 48. So it is divisible by 12. So here also same thing. 36 divided by 12. So 12 3s are 36. Oh. Next one is check whether the given fractions are equivalent. So how to check? Check whether the given fractions are equivalent. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent. So how to check here? Huh? Come on. See, they have given first one there. They gave it is 5 by 9, 30 by 54. 5 by 9, 30 by 54. See, there are plenty of methods to do this. Okay, there are plenty. So, which one to follow? See, which and all. First one is the LCM method. Make denominator same first. Then compare the numerator. If they are equal, they are equivalent fraction. How to make denominator same? LCM. Okay, LCM of 9 and 54 is 54. So in 9 table you will get 6 are 54. Here 1s are, so 5 6 are 30. You will get same. So they are equal. Another one, cross multiplication. Cross multiply. If you get both the ends equal. Another one, simplify to its simplest form. Okay, simplify the fraction to its simplest form. Which number? If you get the same value, then they are equivalent. Okay, which method you want, you can. Okay, no issues. I'll explain one method. You can use remaining two also, no problem at all. Okay, fine. See here. What I'll use? 5 by 9, 30 by 54. Instead of simplifying, I'll do cross multiplication. Okay, 5 into 54, 9 into 30. 5 4s are 20, 2 carries, 5 5s are 25, 27. 9 0s are 0, 9 3s are 27. So both are equal. Therefore, they are equivalent. Equivalent fractions. They are equivalent fractions. See, not only this method, you can simplify it. See, both are divisible by 5. Sorry, 6. Both are divisible by 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 9s are 54. So both are equal. You can go through like, or else make a denominator same. 54 is LCM. Here 6 are 54. So 5 6 are 30. You can use that method also. No issues at all. Okay. Which one is easy for you? You can, no problem at all. Okay, but you should know the simplification of also. Okay, simplification of fractions. Here you have to. Next bit is that one only. Okay. Next one is 3 by 10, 12 by 50. B1, 3 by 10, 12 by 50. Okay. So what to do here? See. 3 by 10, 12 by 50, cross multiply. 3 into 50, 10 into 12. 3 5s are 15, 0 as it is 120. So they are not equal. So therefore, they are not equivalent fractions. They are not equivalent fractions. Okay, next. Next one, see one. They said 7 by 13, comma 5 by 11. 5 by 11. Okay. Come on. 7 by 13, 5 by 11. Cross multiply. 7 into 5. Are they equal? No. So therefore, they are not equivalent fractions. They are not equivalent fractions. Right? Yes. Come on. Let us go to the next exercise. That is 7th bit. Next bit is a reduction. We have to reduce We have to reduce the given fraction to its simplest form. Okay. See, the fraction, we can see how to reduce first of all. Both numerator and denominator will be divisible by one of the common factor. Factors, you know, right? So we have to go on dividing the given numbers, numerators and denominators, until we get co-prime numbers in numerator and denominator. What is meant by co-prime numbers? What is meant by co-prime numbers? Common factor of two given numbers. If it is 1, then it is known as co-prime numbers. Okay, that is only simplest form of fraction. Okay, so come on. Seventh bit. Reduce the following fractions. Reduce the following fractions to simplest forms. To simplest form. So first one is 48 by 60. 48 by 60. So how to do here? Problem is given, right? Same. See, instead of see, till now what I did directly, I just divided. Now let me go slowly. Okay, you too will get to know how I. See, both are divisible by 2, right? So let me divide it by 2, both. So 2, 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 0s are as it is. Right? Now both are divisible by 4. See, no, not both. Only numerator is divisible by 4, but not denominator. In this case, we have to take by which number both the numbers are divisible. Both are divisible by 6. So 6 4s are 6 5s are. Now these two are co-prime. Now these both are divisible by only 1, not by any other number. That's why this is the simplest form of this fraction. Did you get it? Yes. Now next number. 150 by 60. 150 by 60. Here, first I'll divide it by 10 only, so I can cancel this 0. If I divide it by 10, I'll get 15 by 6. Now, these two are divisible by 3, right? Both are divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. This is the simplest form of this fraction. Okay? Next. C1, 84 by 98. 84 by 98. Now, see, if you don't get directly by what number this is divisible, then first, see, both are, if we know divisibility rules, we have learned the divisibility rule up to 11, isn't it? Use that. See, both are 4 and 8 in one's place. So, both are divisible by 2. Come on. So, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and 1 carries 18, 2 9s are 18. Now, 42 and 49, both. In which table you will get? Both are there in 7th table. So, 6 are 7. Now, these two are co-prime. These two are divisible by 1 only, not by any other number. Therefore, these are known as, this is the simplest form of this fraction. Got it? Yes. Next one is 12 by 52. D1, 12 by 52. Now, same. First, let me divide it by 2. You can directly, you can also, no problem, okay? So, 12, 2, 2, 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12. Now, again, these two are divisible by 2 only. So, 2 3s are 6, 2 13s are. Right? Yes. Next one is 7 by 28. 7 by 28. A1. Okay, so divide it. Both are by 7 only. 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 7. This is the simplest form of 7 by 20. That's it. And next problem, eighth one, is a word problem. So what I'll do is, I don't write the problem itself because that is little big. If I start to write, I need this full portion to write the problem. That is little big. So what I'll do now is, I'll read the problem. Okay? Listen to me carefully. Ramesh had 20 pencils, Sheelu had 50 pencils, and Jamal had 80 pencils. Okay, the number of pencils Ramesh, Sheelu, and Jamal they have given. That is respectively 20, 50, and 80. Now, after 4 months, they had these many numbers of pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils. Ramesh used 10 pencils. Sheelu used up 25 pencils. Jamal used up 40 pencils. Now, what fraction did each use up? Check if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencils. So, come on. So, what I'll do now is, first let me write the number of pencils, how much they had, total number of pencils. Then, after 4 months, the number of pencils they used. Okay, or else remaining pencils also you can say. Okay. Come on. Eighth problem. Number of pencils with Ramesh. How many with Ramesh? 20. Sheelu, it's 50. And with Jamal, it is 80. Now, after 4 months, number of pencils with all these after 4 months. Okay, we'll write the number of pencils. Okay, number of pencils remaining after 4 months. Remain after 4 months. They gave how much they used. We have to find the number of pencils remaining, right? So with Ramesh, he had 20, used 10. So 10 is remaining. And Sheelu, she had 50, used 25. So remaining 25. And Jamal, he had 80, used 40. So remaining 40. Now you have to find the fraction. Okay. So fraction of all. Fraction of pencil used by Ramesh. Okay. So Ramesh, out of 20, he used 10. Sheelu, out of 50, she used 25. And Jamal, out of 80, he used 40. Lastly, they asked, check if each has used same fraction of pencils. Come on, let us check. See, divide, both are divisible by 10. So you will get 1 by 2. Now here both are divisible by 5. 5 5s are 5 10s are. Now again both are divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5 2s are. Here both are divisible by 10. 4s are 8s are. Now both are divisible by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are. See? All we have same only, right? Huh? Huh? Huh. So therefore, each one of them used same fraction of pencils. Same fraction of pencils. Same fraction of pencils. Oh, in this bit, still one more problem is there. That is match the following. Every time Miss will give some more the other homework, isn't it? Yes. Today also there is a homework. Okay. This last one, the match the following, is for you. Okay. See, they have given the fraction on left side. On right side, it's the simplest form. Simplify the fraction and match it. Okay. It's your work. Let me see how will you do and how much you have understood. Okay. We'll meet in the next next clipping with the next exercise. Until then, keep solving. Be happy. Bye-bye.